Hi, I'm Audrey. I'm a rising junior digital filmmaking major. I'm the lead ambassador as well as on the Leslie women's soccer team, and I want to welcome you to Leslie. So this is our South Campus. It's the most residential campus out of our three, and this is Lawrence Hall. It is one of our residential halls on our South Campus, and I'm going to show you a room. So this is one of our traditional dorms. I actually lived in this hall last year, and I think this is a good time to talk about our three different styles of housing on campus. We have Victorian style housing, which is basic dorm housing. We have our traditional dorms like this and the ones on Doble campus like Whitehall, just classic. You have like the common bathroom and then you share a room. As well as we have our suite style living, which will have multiple different rooms with a common room and a bathroom that is just for those people. We actually have a huge array of clubs here at Leslie. I'm part of the a cappella groups. We also have a campus activity day that you can look around, see what you'd like, and they're all just really open and accepting. We are a D3 athletic college. We'll do conference game in the NECC conference, as well as having games with other local colleges around here. I've had the opportunity on the women's soccer team to play against MIT and Brandeis, some really good teams. This is Washburn. It's one of our two dining halls on campus. My favorite foods here are the pasta bars, but we also provide a lot of different foods for different dietary restrictions as needed. So next we'll be heading into Shira Library, which is our main research library. This is Shira Library. We finished renovations in 2020 and we got this new cafe that takes dining dollars. So in Shira Library, we actually do a lot of business classes. So this is a more lecture style business classroom. All of the students will always be on the quad and it's so nice to see. We'll have lawn chairs out here, also being super close to Harvard Square, giving a lot of options for food and to hang out. So now we're up by Porter Square, which is home to our University Hall as well as our Lunder Art and Design Center. So this is our University Hall. Over here we have our Resource Center, and then I'm going to show you a classroom over here. So this is one of our bigger classrooms in U-Hall. We have a lot of circle tables to promote collaborative learning, which we care a lot about. A lot of discussion is important to our curriculum. So this is Porter Cafe. This is a place for our grab-and-go meals as well as taking dining dollars. And it's just a cute little area to sit and study between classes. So here's the Amphitheater. This is a lecture-based hall for bigger classes as well as events. So here's one of our public safety desks. We actually have public safety on all three campuses, and they're here 24/7 for escorting or for shuttling people. So this is our VFX Lab and area. A lot of art and design stuff down here. We actually had just gotten a huge donation. Down this way, we have our render farm, our downshoot. We also have a green screen room as well as a computer lab. So we're lucky enough to have two of our big campuses, like Porter Square. We have the T right there, as well as on South Campus, the Harvard Square T stop is also right there. So a lot of easy transportation. This is where a ton of our art classes are. I personally am here all the time. So this is the design and illustration. So in this area, we have a lot of great design workspaces, as well as we have some classrooms. These are the painting studios. There's a requirement for foundation art students. So we all have to be in a class like this, but this is also used by fine arts majors and design majors and more. This is our Moriarty Library. This is more of an arts-based library, and the people who work here all have backgrounds in research and art. So this is the lower level of Lunder. We have digital Lockup, and this is the home of many of our film and photography classes. So down here we have an infinity wall, and you can create stages or whatever setting you want over here. You can also use these cool backdrops if needed. So over here we have the fabrication lab. It is home of 3D printers and large laser cutters. So this is just a small glimpse of what Leslie actually is. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with me. I hope you get to come and experience Leslie for yourself.